Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So morning I got up and I started cooking. So making bread and then it's going the process and then have making tea, milk and stuff. So the bread was very nice, crispy. You can see that. Air fryer is healthy, I guess. But it's nice. I like it. So me having it's 7:30. So me having bread and tea. It's like kind of omelette which is cooked in air fryer. It's nice. I like it. So now going to St. John's. So then I start. So hello guys. Good morning. So I came St. John. Now we have to walk 1 kilometer to get inside the hospital. So going. See, you can see this is the where all the patients will sit and wait. So this is the St. John's canteen. Then we have that mart and all, and then we have main canteen where patients are sitting. There all the patients sit, and then we have this staff canteen for staffs where we actually sit and eat. Then so now I came to have tea. सो कैंटीन में थोड़ा बैठ गई मैं उसके बाद अभी नाउ आई एम गोइंग फ्रॉम कैंटीन टू OPD St. John OPD for attendance. After that we will go to our unit of hope, which is for mainly for special kids who are having autism, ADHD and other disorders. So the main thing is walking in St. John is it will take so long time because you have to walk 1 kilometer, not 1 kilometer, but from one building to other building, then other building. It will take so lot time. So during the morning, the St. John canteen there will be huge rush. It has one canteen, then inside another, then inside another, then staff canteen. So but really I like this hospital so much because there are nice cases. You can get Hindi cases, Bengali cases, then Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. Yesterday I seen only one case, not that much, but other languages are there. Okay, so it's a very nice hospital. And yeah, there are lots of Bengali cases. I don't know where these Bengalis come from. Okay, I mean, I'm also Bengali, but why this many, bro? So now currently I'm in St. John's OPD. Here also one tea shop is there, small, and we have one book stall opposite side. Mein so many books are there. So now I'll be waiting for Aditi for some time. Then we both will go inside, and then we will both will be here, there in different wards. ये देखिए छपरी आदि देखिए क्या हुआ आज ब्लॉगिंग कर रही हूँ तो ये देखिए छपरी आदि थी स्वेटर पहन के इतनी ठंडी लग गई है कैसे वीडियो नहीं बना सकते ये देखिए इतना सारा हेलो दिस इज शशांक से हाय
Hello guys, this is Shashank. I'm from All Indian Stop Speech and Hearing, Mysuru.
He's from Aish. He's a very nice guy. He's a topper. Now this month he will be leaving us.
No, nothing topper and all, nothing. This girl is there, right? She's always pulling my leg by saying topper.
Not like that, but he's very nice and he only taught us so many things. So we will miss you. You'll be leaving this month. So and he has a YouTube channel. So follow him. Subscribe.
Yeah, I have my YouTube channel. Just go and check it out, SHM at Aish,
Okay.
for your more updates.
Okay. So today you are on PMR.
Yeah, I'm in PMR.
Okay. So how is your St. John ka journey is going?
St. John's. Yeah, St. John's. My first month of externship is in St. John's. So I felt, it's kind of, I got exposure of all cases, audio,
How is
speech.
cases here like?
Yeah, cases like mainly since it is a medical setup. In my college, we didn't saw any medical setups like post-stroke cases and all. Here, stroke cases and all, I'm getting more exposure. swallowing assessments and all.
Swallowing assessment is nice. PMR is very nice.
Yeah. We used to go to rounds and all
How?
with the patients.
What are your like thinking about audio department?
Audio, audio. The patient load is very good here. You'll get good amount of patients. Learning exposure, it's very good. Audio, though, it's fine. Yeah, the main thing is the people has to expand the audio department. What I felt, since there is only one audiological room and also more cases are coming. So
Okay, what are the language you see here mainly?
languages? Though I am Kannadi, I am not at all seeing any Kannada cases. I am seeing Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, more cases.
Okay, Malayalam you have seen,
Yeah, Malayalam I am seeing some.
but very rare, no Malayalam.
Yeah, very rare. But the staffs and all here, and also the students are mostly from Kerala. And also the people can avail St. John services compared to other private hospitals. The fare, the price is less here, so you can avail
But
this.
now they're increasing
Yeah.
price
For interns, but for consultation and all in St. John's it is only 250 or within 300. If you do other private, it will be very more. So that is one thing I liked from St. John's.
Yeah, price is okay, affordable.
Yeah.
Not that much, but okay, fine. Okay.
Okay,
So,
guys.
bye.
Bye bye.
हाय गाइस अरे मैं आलू जैसी देख रही हूँ बाद में करती
Hello guys. So meet, this is Angeline.
हाय गाइस
Father Muller's. So tell how is your
इज इट वर्थ 50
your I'm very tall. You can stand. You can.
okay we
Okay.
both are vloggers here we both okay
Hi.
she's a public vlogger but I don't put anything out but yeah
Okay.
you guys see it sometimes
So I want to interview here.
yeah okay so we listen to that
Okay.
interview
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So
you guys didn't see the reel
hi.
yeah hi guys
So how are you feeling in the St. John's?
I'm feeling good. I'm doing good. It seems. I'm feeling good, guys. Initially, it was a little hectic, but then it's going good.
Now, how is
I
the
saw
cases
many
and all?
friends, and all it's good.
So you are leaving this month.
Yeah, we are leaving this month. We are
So
going to
we'll
our
miss
shadi.
you.
Yeah,
So another pair anyway gonna come.
yeah.
But still we will be missing you. It's okay. So this is Varanya. Say hi. So morning is he's eating.
Fruits are good for health, you know.
Fruits are. Who is stealing?
ठीक है कोई नहीं. Hi guys. अब क्या क्वेश्चन पूछो.
So what should I ask? So tell me how you. This is common question, na? Why you came to St. John's?
क्या? I want to ask Shashank's question to her. Because
St. John was meant for you. Don't tell this.
let's not do this Chabripanti.
Okay, tell. How you're feeling about this hospital?
Nice. That
That much only. How
Nice.
your case exposure from Nasima to here?
चिलमारी.
Chilman. Case exposure.
हाँ वही तो चिलमारी ही है. Guys मैंने बहुत क्या हिंदी नहीं आ रहा है तो
Okay, English is fine.
हिंदी में बोलो भाई. हाँ, एक मिनट. क्या हुआ कि फर्स्ट में जब आया तो
Case-
ऑडियो में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था. थोड़ा नहीं बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम था. अब जो क्या हाँ लास्ट टाइम पानी पड़ रहा था तो क्या हम लोग भीग गए. पड़ रहा था बारिश हो रही थी. बारिश हो गया तो हम भीग गए. तो अभी मैं क्या लेके आ गई हूँ.
ये मेरे और इसके लिए दोनों के लिए काम आएगा.
छात्र-
और इसका एक स्पेशल
देखिए गाइस बटन.
Let me touch it.
ओके डोंट वरी छपरी कलर है ब्लैक
with green.
with
Red.
ओके ऑरेंज गाइस. चिल मुझे थोड़ा कलर में प्रॉब्लम है.
अरे अंदर छपरी लंच दिखा. Yes. What is that? What is that? क्या love letter लिखा है?
bill.
From my place to St. John's it's 6 rupees.
This is inside the lunch. How can you?
Show.
So this is my chapri lunch box.
Now only you're opening it. Everyone will.
no, not open. Okay, so chill.
Father of nation, right? That's
दूसरा वाला दिखाती हूँ. खोल के दिखाती हूँ. रुक.
This is smallest.
Let me show you the size. Everyone buys थोड़ा costly छतरी, but I bought correct 180 rupees का छतरी.
180.
I mean
This is
सस्ता है.
180.
सस्ता
हाँ
है.
सस्ता है 180. सस्ता है।
कितना है तुम लोग के उधर? 250
मेरा छोटा हाँ 250 300 का
छतरी
वो अच्छा क्वालिटी वाला है।
अरे चीज को ना ऊपर छतरी है।
सेंसर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग।
गाइस साइज देखो तो छतरी का बड़ा है। खाने के लिए
This is international.
बस drop it. वो थोड़ा इधर बोल दो। Wall is not there. So that is guys, that is it.
This is 8 o'clock. That's why no case. It will come. That's why we are free and doing this every month thing.
केस जब आएगा तो मुझे गाली मिलेगी क्योंकि मुझे कुछ भी करना नहीं है।
तब टाइम भी नहीं मिलेगा.
आज मैं एक केस करूँगी।
Make sure you put this on YouTube.
So now I'm going for my posting in unit of hope. So now I'm sitting in therapy room. Now it's so usually therapy rooms they don't allow us to take videos or photos like that. So bye. We'll meet you next. Hi Payal. So how you're feeling doing St. John's work?
Very nice. Today I came late, so it's
10 o'clock. I was doing case Bengali patient. Now she is entering the details in 5.
Yeah, Bhagyalakshmi and Aditi, what you did, man?
What you
here?
did?
What
Nothing.
you did, man?
Nothing. We are doing everything.
You guys forgot. Last day means you guys forgot to read. Sir also moved.
And today there are so many referrals cases are there. She is writing. I now only did case, so I can't write. No, I'll help you. Okay, right.
Yeah.
We'll meet you. Bye bye.
Ta-da.
So me writing all the case details and stuff. Payal took this video while I was writing the case entries and all about what
कुछ भी
we
करती रहती है ये लड़की.
the cases we see in St. John is very nice, interesting. I like
So
it.
it's 1 o'clock.
Like different cases comes here every day. Lots of patients.
So now only I got lunch. There are lots of referral cases today.
Then lunch. Ordered chicken fried rice. It's nice. We guys are eating in this place together.
So
Everyone.
we are going for Aditi ka Xerox. So our lunch is done. Now we have to take a Xerox for her log sheet. Beloved Aditi ka log sheet. So for
It's forgetting everything.
she don't write, it's a vlog book.
इसलिए क्या करें?
So now we are gonna take. So this is St. John ka Xerox ka dukan. Hi Payal. It's 4 o'clock now. We are done with cases now.
Yeah, done.
How is Unit of Hope?
It's nice.
Today how was your cases and all?
Not bad.
How many cases you got?
4.
Nice. Mine also it was good. 6 cases. Nice. But today we ended up very early, no? 4 o'clock it's over. Other days it will take 4:30. I was rushing yesterday.
Yesterday you were rushing.
4:37 I was like.
Hassan was there, no?
The therapy. Okay.
Hassan's therapy is very late always.
Yeah. But that guy is nice.
Nice. He's very intelligent.
ID no. Nice. Bye bye. तो आज आदित्य का चाहते का कुछ कम हालो.
जो दिखाया था गाइस. मैंने बोला था काम लगेगा.
फाइनली रेन हो गया है और हम लोग जा रहे हैं.
लास्ट टाइम भीग के फत्तू हो गए थे, आज नहीं.
अरे ये क्या जीसस का इसका फोटो ले रहे हैं. नो
ओ ये जो पेशेंट तुझे बताती हूँ क्या है?
पेशेंट है हो गया.
ये जो दिशा.
अरे पता है आज कितना केस आया
ये बंगाली
है. बंगाली.
क्या केस?
अरे बंगाली लोग तो फोटो.
ये पकड़. हाँ.
ये तेरा थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक है थोड़ा.
लो तो.
सो मेरा डे इन लाइफ हो गया है सेंट जॉन में टुडे.
क्या बाई फिर से दिखा दी.
हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं अभी. बाय. दिस इज बस स्टैंड सेंट जॉन्स. बाय बाय.
मडी वाला बस स्टैंड है ना? मडी वाला है ना?
हाँ.